To manage call forwarding and do not disturb, open the Settings tab. Click the gear icon in the top navigation bar. This takes you to all your personal settings in one place. At the top of Settings, you'll find the Do Not Disturb toggle. When you turn this on, all incoming calls go straight to voicemail. Your extension will not ring. Turn it off when you're ready to receive calls again. Scroll down to the Call Forwarding section. Here you'll find 4 forwarding rules. Each one has a toggle to enable it and a destination field where you enter the number to forward calls to. Unconditional forwarding sends every call to another number immediately, regardless of your availability. Toggle it on, type the destination number, and all calls skip your extension entirely. The remaining 3 rules are conditional. Busy forwards calls when you're already on a call. No answer forwards after your dial timeout expires. And offline forwards when your extension is not registered. You can enable any combination of these. Find Me. Follow Me lets you ring multiple numbers at once or in sequence. Enable it, choose Ring All to ring everything simultaneously, or Sequential to try each number in order. Add up to 3 external numbers with individual timeouts. That covers call forwarding and Do Not Disturb. Every change saves automatically, so your calls start routing the moment you flip a toggle. Adjust these settings anytime from the Settings tab.